Good afternoon, viewers. Want to look at wave. Wave. In physics, wave is one of the largest topic in physics, and it is very important that a science student uh, knows about wave. Normally, a wave is a disturbance that travel through a medium and transfer energy from one point to another without any permanent displacement of that medium. So a wave is very lengthy. One of the fragments of wave in reflection is what we want to consider this afternoon echoes. Echoes. Echoes is a sound that you heard twice. After a sound is produced, you heard it the second time. That is echoes. So look at this question. They say a bat emits a sound wave. A bat emits a sound wave at a speed of 1650 meter per second and receive the echoes 0.15 seconds later. Calculate the distance of the bat from the reflector. So the perimeter that connects echoes is x is equal to Vt all over 2. This is the parameter used to calculate echo in physics. This x is the distance, v is the speed, and t is the time. So this is the parameter used. So from the question, we will substitute into this formula. From this question, if you look at it, you will have that your speed, that is the wave of speed is equal to 1650 meter per second, and it receives the echoes, that is echoes time. Echoes time, echoes time is equal to 0.15 second. Then you are asked to calculate the distance, which is x. Calculating the distance, which is x. So from this parameter, you have that x is equal to Vt all over 2. So the distance is equal to velocity, which is the speed 1650 times the time. The time is 0.15 all over 2. X is equal to, we have 1650 times 0.15 divided by 2. That will give us 123.75 meters. So 123.75 meter is the distance of this echo. The distance is 123.75. Let's consider example 2 on that echo. On that echo, they say the man standing 510 meter away from a wall sound a whistle. The echo from the wall reaches him 3 seconds later. Calculate the velocity of sound in air. So the perimeter for calculating echo is x is equal to Vt all over 2. So you bring out the parameter. Here, the distance, which is x, is 510 meter. Then the time is 3 seconds. So we are calculating for the velocity. So the velocity is not given. So substituting into the perimeter will make velocity the subject. We have s is equal to vt all over 2. Cross multiply, we will have that 2s is equal to vt. From here, we divide both sides by the coefficient of v, which is t. T cancel t. So we'll have now that v is equal to 2s all over t. From here, we'll substitute into it. V is equal to 2 times the distance, which is 510. So we have 510 all over the time, which is 3 seconds. So we have that V is equal to 2 times 510 divided by 3. We'll have 340 meter per second. That is the velocity. That is how to calculate something of this nature. This is example 2 under A. Thank you.